What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share for fresh working promo code for uber.com you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. So how you can use that code? Simply add this code on a coupon section and you will get discount on your Uber, right? So it is really simple, just add the code on a coupon code section and apply the code. That's it. Because here I'm going to share for fresh working code you can use right now. If you're from any country you can simply use that code. If you're from UK, US, Canada, you can simply use that code and get amazing discount on your Uber rides. So here is a full fresh code you can use right now on uber.com or in Uber app. So here I can start from the code number first. The code number first is this, where you will get 50% off by using this code. This is second, where you will get 20% off by using this code. This is third, where you will get 30% off by using this code. And this is last, where you will get 15% off by using this code. This all four fresh codes are working right now and you will get amazing discount on that. Hope you understand. Subscribe for more if you want more videos like this, because it takes a lot of time to find this working codes. And let me tell you one more thing, you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So hope you understand. Subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.